Okay, we're back for another video. Here's a can of Diet 7-Up, Jake. I'm gonna have you shake that up. Really good. There we go. That's good, okay?
Okay.
Now he's gonna shoot this with his BB gun at 20 pumps.
Yeah. Let's hope I don't miss.
Oh, this is exciting.
Oh.
I think I just peed my pants. Whoa! Oh!
Oh, it went all the way, and it ripped the whole
Oh! There is a myth proved today.
Rip.
Let's look at that. Total rippage. Into there, out through the back. Whoa! And it splattered. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See our other video. What's the other one called with the blood?
Ketchup, blood, kaboom.
Ketchup, blood, kaboom. Thank you very much, Speedy McFlash.